Hello and welcome. Are you a talented 3D animator looking for ways to turn your passion into a profitable career? Well, you're in the right place. As a 3D animator, you have many opportunities to earn money and make a name for yourself in the animation industry. First and foremost, let's talk about freelancing. This is a great option for animators who want to work on their own terms and have the flexibility to choose their own projects. You can offer your services to businesses and individuals who need 3D animations for their projects. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find freelance work. To be successful as a freelancer, you need to have a strong portfolio that showcases your skills and experience. Make sure to include examples of your best work, and always be open to feedback and revisions. Another option is to work for an animation studio. This can be a great way to gain experience, work with other talented animators, and learn about the industry from the inside. Look for animation studios that are hiring 3D animators and apply for positions that match your skills and experience. You can also reach out to studios that you admire and express your interest in working with them. Remember, the more experience you have, the more valuable you will be to potential employers. For those of you who are more entrepreneurial, starting your own animation business can be a rewarding and lucrative option. If you have the drive and the skills, you can offer your services to clients and build a reputation for delivering high-quality animations. To get started, you'll need to create a business plan, develop a marketing strategy, and build a strong network of clients and collaborators. Don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. The more you put into your business, the more you'll get out of it. If you have a unique style or a passion for creating animations, you can produce your own animations and sell them online. Websites like YouTube and Vimeo are great platforms for sharing your work and building an audience. You can also sell your animations on stock video websites or through your own website. The key to success is to consistently produce high-quality animations that people want to watch and share. Finally, teaching others is a great way to earn money and share your knowledge and skills with others. You can offer online courses or in-person workshops to teach others how to animate. This can be a fun and rewarding way to help others achieve their goals, and you'll be surprised at how much you'll learn in the process. In conclusion, as a 3D animator, you have many opportunities to earn money and make a name for yourself in the industry. Whether you choose to freelance, work for an animation studio, start your own business, create and sell your own animations, or teach others, the key to success is to consistently produce high-quality animations, market yourself effectively, and never stop learning and improving your skills. Good luck!